Alright, in this video, I would like to show you how to use Q&A on Sakai. Alright, so Q&A, you can approach it in a couple different ways. Q&A is here, so if you click on that, you can get to Q&A. Or there's a Q&A right here too. So if you click on that, we can get there. All right. Then let's say you're working on the WebAssign homework and you got stuck on one of the problems. All right. Then you can go to, let's say it was, chapter 5, 5.3, say number 4 or something like that. And if you go there, there's a video, example video for each homework problem. So if you go here, then there's a YouTube video going over the exact problem. And of course, the WebAssign generates a problem with different numbers. You would still have to do it. You can't, I mean, sometimes you get lucky, you get exactly the same numbers, but try not to copy the answer because you're not going to learn anything doing that. But you can just play and watch the video and see if it helps. All right, let's say the video didn't help. Then what you can do is you can reply and post a question. So whatever the question you have, so you just write down. I'll just put a garbage right now, but you just describe your question here, and then you post it. Right? Then you can see that this your post is visible by everyone in the class. So what I'll do is I'll go if I find it, I'll reply and try to respond to your question. So I'll put garbage there and here post, so that this way your question can be answered and everyone else in the classroom who might have exactly the same question can view my response to that question as well. All right, so that's how you use Q&A. So again, you can access it from here or from here. Then you can just watch the video, or if you have additional question, you can always post your question there, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.